When you search for animated greeting cards, you will find only the digital greeting cards, right? So this is the animated story greeting cards made with papers. So it exactly works like the same way. So let's get started. So as you can see, there is a little story in there. And so here is the birthday boy sitting in front of the candle. Now he is going to blow the candle, and then candle goes off. Happy birthday comes on top, and he is smiling. So this is a small story, and then it goes back in. So this is how it works. So I'll show you how to make this card. It's not too difficult if you plan it properly. So to make an animated story card, first you need a small story. So the story is here. The birthday boy is sitting in front of this lit up candle, and then he is going to blow the candle off, and everybody is going to say happy birthday. So this is a small story. So after the story is finalized, you have to draw the figures, and you have to make sure which parts will be moving, which parts will be animated. So here the candle flame is animated, the birthday boy's face is animated, and the happy birthday appears over here. Let me show you further. So this is my front layer. So this is the back layer. So for happy birthday to appear, I made a slit on top, and also for the candle flames, I made two slits here and on the and in here. So two slits on each side. And also for the smiley face, there is a cutout as well. As you can see, there is a cutout. So all these three parts will be animated. The back layer, now the candle flame is here, and here the candle is blown off. And here is the smiley face of the birthday boy, and here is the normal face. And also here is the happy birthday. And as you can see on the top, and also there are two slits on the sides, and there is a cutout in here. When the happy birthday slides on, it will lock in here, so it will not go any further. And same locking will apply here. I'll show that you in a moment. So let's insert that in the card. So as you can see, this will stop here. It will not go any further. Now push the candle inside the slits. And that's all about it. In the back, put a tape in here so it stick with each other. And also you can see for this layer not to move sideways, I have put in the track on the sides. So as you can see, the track is on the side and at the bottom, so it will not go any further to the bottom, and this lock will prevent this to go further up. And I also made a cutout in here for this to pull down in case it gets stuck. And to do this, just made a cutout on the back side of the card, and added this flap in the back side so it can be pulled down. The message appears in two ways. Either it can be pulled on top and pushed. Also, if it gets stuck, there is in the back, so that can be also pushed and pulled. And as you can see, this one I have already inserted this card part on the top. Is this hanging decorations with the balloons, so it matches with the birthday theme, and it also makes it easier to pull and push. And also use your creativity to decorate it further, and you can use glitter pens, sequins, and on the sides I have used the tape, so use your imagination to decorate it further. So try this animated story card, and if you like this video, please share and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.